Yeah, you stupid fuck. Fuck!
It's all good, bro. Just gotta open it up.
Jordan! You're trying to catch me.
I'm not drunk, I'm just happy.
How much is left?
My truck?
No, my truck.
I don't know.
There's more coming tomorrow, so don't worry. I know, but I'm saying we want it to last.
No, we chopped down a tree.
Are you videotaping this?
You better not be.
Wow!
You on me. Come on, Cole, you join us. Your boyfriend too. You don't like it?
Hey, Jordan.
That's okay. We killed the cops. We fuck you down.
Uh-oh.
Get back up on your 2 feet. And dance with me over the body.
Kind of.
No fire dancing tonight.
Oh.
We need more sushi.
Fishy.
Sushi.
Top of the fist.
You guys are so Asian, it's retarded.
No sushi. That means we need no fire. We just go catch fish, cut them up,
I
eat
have
them.
sushi on Wednesday.
Oh, fucking fire. Ow. It's hot.
Next time us three go out, we should go to Goldfish. What did you just do?
Ooh. Kick the
You should play soccer.
Hold on.
You really are learn with an X. You play soccer? No.
Fuck.
Bipolar. Fuck.